Hello, and thank you for choosing USTech. In this quick tip tutorial, we will get you more familiar with your UC Client all-in-one telecom portal and how to set up your USTech mobile app. First, let's explain what is UC Client. USTech UC Client is a unified communications solution that combines calling, chat, meetings, voicemail, video, screen sharing, and enterprise contacts into a single, easy-to-use interface to improve everyday communications and collaboration for your business. When you receive your USTech login credential email, you will click on the portal URL, which will take you to this page here. Enter your username and password, and click Sign In. Here on your welcome screen, you will get a brief tour by clicking on the orange pop-up bubbles, which are not shown in this video right here. The orange pop-up bubbles will explain various features in your UC Client portal, such as calling from your computer, setting up video meetings, chatting with other UC Client members, and checking voicemail messages and call history, all from inside your all-in-one portal. By pressing the dial pad here or here, you can dial other extensions or any outside number and view your contact list. By pressing the Start Meeting tab here or here, it opens up your personal meeting room where you can start two types of video meetings. The first type, you can create a meeting with a personalized URL that can be configured with a guest pen. The URL and pen can be copied to your clipboard and pasted into your calendar invite to schedule meetings. The second type of meeting, you can create a one-time meeting that can be configured with a guest pen and started immediately. By pressing the Chat tab, you can click on any extension and start a chat session with them. By pressing the Voicemail tab, you can check voicemail messages and check your call history. Now, let's get you set up with your USTech mobile device app. On your mobile device, download the Cornexa mobile app for iOS or Android. On your computer screen, click on the dial dots on the left side of your screen. Choose Mobile Download. When you open your Cornexa mobile app, click on Sign In via QR code. Allow app to access certain features and your camera. Point your mobile device camera to the QR code that applies to your device. Android phones choose this QR code, and iPhones choose this QR code. Your mobile app will configure automatically and will now mirror your desk phone. Please note, if you have trouble configuring using QR code, you can manually enter your username and password into your Cornexa mobile app here. This concludes this short video tutorial on how to use your UC Client telecom portal and how to set up your USTech mobile app. Thank you for choosing USTech.